Well, welcome back to Channel On. I'm back on the '06 Ford Focus, and what had happened is my son was driving it home and it had just died. We got it towed back home again for the third time, and this time what we had found out that the ECM fuse was blowing, and that's located in the fuse box right over there. It's just a 20 amp fuse. We put another 20 amp fuse in it and it blew again. So I started doing some research and come to find out it's the radio capacitor that's causing the problem. It's the most common problem for these Ford Focuses, I guess. And what had happened is the wire had broken off and then it just shorted out against the frame of the vehicle, and that's what was blowing the fuse. So I went ahead and I just kind of taped them all up until I got the new one in. I do have the new one in now. It's about $27 from Amazon, so let's go ahead and replace that. It's going to be a 9mm socket. Then the ground. And then this clip here, all you need to do is just press on this little tab and that should pull right out of there. Let's go ahead and install the new one. Again, about 27 bucks from Amazon. And then just plug it in, and there we go. Now I know this ran before when I just taped it up, but we'll go ahead and double check it. Okay, that was a simple enough repair. I wish I'd have looked into this a little bit further before I went through the process of getting it towed home and blowing a $5 fuse, but there it is. That's the most common problem from what I have found out online with these Ford Focuses. So check this first. If you have a no crank, I mean, you're gonna go try to start it and it's not gonna do anything. The lights are all gonna come on the dash. I believe the security light will actually come on as well. And if you get nothing, check this first. And what you can do is you can just unplug that and the vehicle will start after you replace the fuse. Well, I hope this helps you with your 2006 Ford Focus, and we'll see you next time.